Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the accounting treatment first lesson numerical chapters, that is journal. And in these chapters I will tell you how to record the transactions. This is your first accounting treatment, the part of your process which is going to entertain like the part of the process, and now you may have to understand how to pass the journal entries through this chapter. Now, today I will discuss with you what is journal and the different terms used in journal and the features of journal. Now, what is journal? Journal means daily record of the business transactions, and the journal is a book. It is a book of the original entry. When I am talking about the original entry, it means I am telling the first time the entry is done in the journal. So this is called as original entry also. The journal is also providing the base to post the items into the next process part called as ledger. So journal records all the parts of the transaction in at one place. The date, debit and credit, and the explanation of each transactions are recorded together. It is the part of your format also. So what is actually the journal? Journal is a book in which the first time the transactions are recorded. Now I am moving to the different terms used for the journal. So we have, after the clarifications of the journal, I am moving to what do you mean by the book of original entry. The transaction first time recorded in the books is called as books of original entry. When the transactions recorded in the books, it is called as original entry. So there is a one gap between the book of original entry and the original entry. Means the book in which the original entry is passed called as book of original entry. Now next one is journal entry. An entry recorded in journal. Journal is a book. When it is entered into the journal, or you may say in the book, is called as journal entry. Now what is journalizing? The process of recording the transaction in journal, means in book, is called as journalizing. When the process is using, it means we have to use the rules of debit and credit. Now next, last one is posting. The posting word is referring to transfer of journal entry to ledger posting. It means first journal will come, journal entry will come, and then these entries will be posted to ledger. Ledger means the book which classify the different natures of accounts. Now I am moving to the features of journal entry, and the journal provides day-to-day transactions record. That means every transaction is recorded into the journal on the first come first base. And then the double entry system is used. When I am talking about the double entry system, it means I am referring to the rules of debit and credit. And the rules of debit and credit means one transaction consists with the two accounts, one is debited and another is credited. It shows the complete details of the transactions. It details word is referring the brief explanations is also there called as narration. It shows the detail, the which account is debited and which account is credited, and the amount also listed with there. Date is also mentioned there. It means it provide the complete detail of the all the transactions related with. Thank you.